Jotono Tripura outlook night on Iron Lamso, Agnone Logito Anthony Tripura, Tinini Kutung Kroktomaha, Mia Assembly Dre, 48 Koramsrani, Emla Paul Dangso, Bo Tipra Dofanibai, Ara Tipra Sanibai, Long Tribally Subdivision of Tongai Keha Korang Tishabo, the Long Tribally Government Degree College. Tipra Dofani Keha Okra. Sama Soron Tripani Bumungte Ongtung Neighbor Korang Tishamia Assembly Dre Padison Kusa 9 Elena.
Today, I, on behalf of 14 lakh Tiprasa, would like to appeal the higher education through you that Long Tribally Degree College be renamed as Samacharan Memorial Degree College, because we should honor all the renowned personalities from our state. We should not forget their contribution to state or a district. They have their big contribution. So I, on behalf of whole Tiprasa, would like to appeal to higher education to rename the college, as late Samacharan Tripura belongs to Long Tribally itself. So this will be my appeal to the department.